I research theology.
But how long do you want?
Research history, theology, anything there is to say.
Where up, Peter?
Oh my.
If that guy give you trouble, it's other guy. And even it's other guy. And you, hey. Just be here.
Stand up, my guy, stand up.
On guard. Yeah, Peter! Yeah, Peter!
Paul, what are you doing in my house this Sunday afternoon with your touts? How dare you barge into my house in that manner?
Paul, what is it? As you can see, my husband and I just got back from church.
Hey, Clara, stay out of this. It has nothing to do with you.
No, you would not shut me up in my own house. Whatever made you bad into my husband's house can't be resolved.
Like I said, stay out of this.
Oh, my God doesn't come back from church now. What I do now? What be this one? What I do?
So they ask us what you no, you get my ask us because you what you ask me what you
Mugu, you not gonna shut up? You want me to amend you?
I go amend you where now your eye go. You ask us what you do.
Peter, did you write any letter to the lands office? Yes, I did. Any problem with that? Why? What for? What did you hope to achieve with that letter? Listen, Paul. You have practically sold every single land our father left for us before he died. That land is about the only land left you haven't sold. Why do you want to sell all these things without even consulting me? Must be out of your senses. That I should tell you before I sell my land, is that it? You have benefited from every land you have sold. You have kept everything to yourself. I've been quiet. But you see this particular land, I will not let you. Then be ready to die. Because you're digging your own grave. Paul. Paul the Enigma, that's what they call you, right? You're just blabbing. Me. I am blabbing. I have written to the lands. And I have told them that that land is not for sale. Whoever goes ahead to buy it does that at their own peril. And I will follow it till the last cut. Peter, Mr. Lecturer, do not dabble into things you do not know. Anything I have mapped out for sale must be sold. Is that what you think? It is not what I think, it is what I know. You see that land? It must be sold. So you had better go back and withdraw that letter from the lands or face my wrath. Okay then. Whatever it is you want to bring it on. If you fail to listen to me, Peter, if you fail to listen, I will do the unthinkable. Now get out of my house before I do something I'll regret. Paul is biting more than he can chew. Imagine coming to my house to threaten me.
My love, this is more than a threat. You know who your brother is. If he says he is going to kill, he is actually going to kill.
What are you implying, babes? that I let Paul sell the only piece of land remaining after he has sold all the acres of land our father left behind?
I am saying you should let the land go. Just let him have the piece of land and remain alive for me.
Never. Paul cannot do anything to me. He's my blood, my brother.
Yes, he is your twin. But be careful of what he has become. I am begging you, just let him have the land.
Never. Even our late father will turn in his grave if I allow this mistake to continue one more time.
At the risk of losing your own life? What? Can you just stop this, please?
I will not let Paul sell that land.
Ha!
He has sold every other land. And what does he do with the money? Go to hotels and sleep with prostitutes.
My love, I am just scared. I don't want to lose you.
Nothing is going to happen to me, baby, okay? Okay? I'm famished. Please get me some food.
Babes, please promise me you will withdraw that later. That land is not worth dying for.
Please, babe. Can I eat my food in peace?
But what is Paul's problem? Why can't that guy be reasonable for once? Why would a graduate be acting like an illiterate? What's his problem?
Paul went to school, but never allowed education pass through him. That's why he ended up an agbero, even when he holds a law degree and was called to bar.
This is just very disturbing. A law degree holder behaving like an agbero. Why?
They are in every profession, not just the law profession. Even in your medical field, you find people behaving that way. Let's just eat. There's a way I'm wired. Anything I have mapped out for sale, it's sold already.
I feel you, boss.
Honestly, boss, your brother is right. You have practically sold all your family land without him benefiting from any.
I don't understand you. Now your land. Now your family land. Your papa get land. Boss say in one man will sell the land. Now you want...
If you ask me, I would suggest we should leave that particular piece of land and move around the town and check if we can see other lands. Even if it means for us to resell the one that we have already sold, that the owners are yet to develop. And as a matter of fact, there is one land sold to one Mr. Ugochukwu that is yet to develop anything on the land. We can go and resell the land and go from there.
Say, Mama, I tell you something. Since I know you, now today you suggest something will make sense. Now, big good idea with that. Okay. Boss, reason now. All those people whenever they do anything for their land.
No, we sell them.
All those ones who don't say, you get lands who even don't say like 2 years ago, they never do anything. If you just start to do.
I don't understand. Chima, are you suggesting we should go and resell Ogugo's land?
See, make I tell you something. I want money on the way. You see those lands? The main aim is to cash in and cash out. Smile to the bank. No, stop talking like this.
You know what? Guys, we're going to resell those lands.
Confirm.
Yes, and we are starting with Ugochukwu's land since he doesn't have money to develop it yet.
Confirm.
Follow the enigma. Follow the enigma.
Correct. Chairman, you be.
Boss, I don't support this one. In fact, I'm not part of all this illegal business. How can we be selling and reselling people's land? It's illegal business now.
Okay, I'm trying to open anywhere you get. What they do? Talk rubbish.
You see, I'm always warning you. I would not get conscience. Shut up. I would not get conscience.
Shut up. You won't go this side. You sell land, sir.
Okay, we say land now. Are you happy like that? Now you go sign the document. Now you be chairman. We go sign it.
Chima calls him boss, but he is such a bad influence. I will not allow Paul kill himself. I won't allow him kill himself out of foolishness and stupidity.
Oh, this one I know you, eh? And today you went there. That's
From who go land? From who go land is already so.
Chima, wait. How could you be suggesting to Oga Polo that we should sell off Ogugo's land? Where is your conscience?
Nah, this guy self, you just want to spoil my mood. Just give them a general mood now. Go be digging man. I have told you that number. Nah. I would no get conscience. Guys, anything won't be a boss. You need to be very, very heartless.
ruthless.
Now what do you
get mine?
What are you saying? Abudu has no conscience. Is Abudu not the same human being? God created us as a human being. Chima, where is your conscience? How will you be suggesting we sell off a fellow man? The man paid us money and you want us to sell off his land?
Okay.
Chima, where is your conscience?
You don't do.
Spider, even you.
You don't do. I don't get my conscience. No worry, I don't get them now. I been forget them, but I don't get them. See what thing go so. No fine buyer. Said your good rules land.
Yes.
Make him come up.
Yes, we no go give him anything.
So we go find buyer. No help us find
No help
buyer.
us, oh.
We go find buyer. We go sell the land. Just come up, body.
Come on, buddy, we no go give you anything.
We no give me
No,
anything.
we dey go. No, we go.
Just come up, body.
We no go give you anything. Take, we're conscious.
Wait, Chima, the truth be told, eh?
Why are you standing here staring at me? Yeah, if you have anything to say, just say it.
Paul, you can't turn against your brother. You cannot.
There are brothers who are worse than enemies. And there are strangers who are brothers. Professor Peter has made himself my enemy. And I will off him.
Paul, you cannot be in enmity with your blood brother, your twin brother.
Oh, you don't know me. You don't know me. I am Paul the Enigma. I will off him and damn the consequences.
You can't be fighting with your own identical twin brother when you two can come together. Do you know that you two can fight the common enemy when you're together?
No. Lecturer Professor Peter is the only enemy I have now.
Really? You think so? So you believe Peter is the only enemy you have? Hell no, Peter isn't. You see that Chima and Spider? They are your worst enemies. And I don't want to believe you're going to accept what is suggested. You cannot be fighting your brother over a piece of land. Nobody does that.
Yeah and no. Listen to me, oh. The fact that you're living with me in this house does not give you the right to keep poking your nose in my family affairs. Watch it.
You're just the direct opposite of your brother.
Hello.
Ah, Prof, you're here.
Pharmacist Gloria, yeah, I'm here. How are you?
I'm fine. You're
And
welcome.
how is business?
Very well, sir. You can see.
I can see. I was just driving past your neighborhood and I thought to myself, why don't you come and check up on Pharmacist Gloria?
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it.
I hope all is going well.
Yes.
And the family?
We thank God, sir.
Very well then. I'll be on my way.
Thank you so much.
You have a nice day.
And you too, I appreciate it.
Alright, bye-bye.
Alright, bye.
I have a lecture with master's degree students tomorrow, so I'm back home to put finishing touches on my lecture notes. Like I said earlier, I am already back home, and it is not in my nature to leave the house when I'm back. Okay then, find a way around it. If you need additional information, do not hesitate to let me know. Alright, thank you. Bye. Hi, babes. Hey, why is your face like this? Is anything the matter?
I sent you a voice note. I wanted you to tell me when you'll be on your way back so I could make you dinner. What happened?
Oh God, I'm so sorry. I haven't been on WhatsApp all day. I've been very busy. In fact, I went to check up on Pharmacist Gloria to see how she's faring. Not to worry. Come, let's go into the kitchen and cook together.
What? Which kitchen? Please, just go upstairs and freshen up. I'll make you dinner, okay?
Wait. Look at you. Most women would want a husband who would go into the kitchen and cook with them. Why are you different?
Well, let's say I have a very hard-working husband, and I have decided to compliment him by serving him.
And I have decided to compliment my wife by serving her.
I love you.
I love you more.
Love you. I love you. That's enough. I'll make you dinner.
All right.
Started already.
Let me freshen up here.
All right, darling.
Okay, see. Oh
I hope you had a nice day.
yeah, hectic though.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yes. Collect for the full load. Make sure you collect that money, oh. Don't let them leave that package. What are you telling me? You will not come here and tell me any story, oh. I'll blow your teeth.
Good afternoon, sir.
What is good about the afternoon, Timothy?
Sir, what did I do again?
What did you do again? Have you returned your loading money for today and yesterday? Look at the time you are coming to the office.
Sorry, sir. The matter is that I'm here now.
You are here now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What did you come at?
Let me sit down first now.
Where's the money?
Sir, the thing be say,
Akoko Kojiga.
Here we go.
Wow. You're done already?
No. I just got this for you to get your mouth busy while you're at work.
Ah, thank you. Ain't you so wonderful?
I know I am wonderful. Oh, I can see you're busy with your lectures plan. Getting ready for work tomorrow, I see.
Yeah, I'm trying to draft out the outline so it's easier for me.
Okay. All right. While you're at it, I'll be back in the kitchen.
Not so fast.
Is something wrong? Okay, what exactly are you doing? No.
Oh.
Babe, stop.
Listen, there's never a moment for this.
Stop. Wait, no. Wait. I have something on the fire. I need to quickly check it.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Continue with your work. I'll join you in a bit.
All right, babes.
Oga Paul, after paying all the dues, settling the police and abros on the road, we drivers go home with little or nothing.
All through yesterday, I was at the mechanic. I spent all the money I made last week buying spare parts and repairing my bus.
Same old story, boss. I'm tired of everything. I'm just tired. Shit.
You are saying you are tired. But let me tell you, the reason why I'm drinking with you guys here is simply that I want to drink away my sorrows.
Listen, guys. Don't tell me you all are planning to quit driving, thereby limiting my scope of income.
Oga Paul, you don't understand what we drivers go through on a daily basis. Eh? You can survive without the money we pay you. Eh?
Listen, guys. New York City in America is where we have the highest number of millionaires. And guess what? All of those millionaires were made on the streets. I want to tell you that there is so much money on the streets. And I'm going to teach you how to grab it.
Hey!
Polo de Enigma. Polo de Enigma. Polo, polo, polo kaigeso.
Mone jeje mona nana polo kaigeso.
Polo! How can you Hey! Polo de Enigma.
Don't worry.
Baby.
Yes, my love.
Have you heard from your brother Paul?
No.
Is there something you both are not telling us?
I don't understand. What are you driving at?
In a clear language, you two don't act like you're twin. I can't remember any time you guys have met without having a fight. I mean, it just ends up in a serious fight, or even fist cuts.
Maybe it's not my fault. It's Paul you should be talking to. He's a difficult one.
I don't understand what that means.
Babes, please. I don't understand what you mean. I hold nothing against him. He's the one who doesn't just want my association.
Okay. Can you at least try one more time to reconcile with him?
Babes.
He's your brother.
Babes, why do you always raise his issue each time you serve a very delicious meal? Can you allow me concentrate and enjoy this food, please?
You see, that my brother I told you about, he promised to give me a huge amount of money to start a business. Set up a very big business. But up to now, I've not heard from him. See, anybody hoping on all these big men to fulfill their promise is making a hell of a mistake. They make empty promises. The worst part of it is that he's not even taking my call. He doesn't take my call.
Those rich brothers, they will never help. That is why I don't go to anybody for help. That's the reason.
You see, Fred is my immediate younger brother. Can you believe that? When his Oga settled me with a chicken change, I gave him a huge amount of money to add up so that he would set up a business.
Oh, really?
Now listen, these people we are talking about, they have their heart at back.
Obiabo.
Bro, he's living in a very big mansion now. He's living in a very big castle in Lagos.
He don't even remember his own brother.
Yeah.
His own senior brother. He can't even talk to me. Family for that matter. Lord.
How the terrible.
My love, all I'm saying is that twins should have one thing in common. One mindset. Why is it different with you two?
Paul is one hell of a human. How am I supposed to share the same mindset with someone who has a degree in law but has refused to practice for a day? Instead, he opts to become an agberu, collecting levies and tickets from motorists and even aiding them in crime.
And you're saying something is not wrong?
Nothing is wrong with him. He knows exactly what he's doing. Paul will not call you on phone, no. But you pick your phone and call him, he hears your voice, he drops the call.
Exactly why I am saying that there is something wrong somewhere.
I am telling you now, my phone, meh. This is a guy that is just not consistent. You call him with this number today, tomorrow he changes to another number. As I'm speaking with you now, I don't even know what number he uses.
Exactly what I'm saying, my love. This has got to be some sort of problem. All I'm asking is that we look for a solution. Let's just try to solve this. It won't take anything from us.
Can we remove our mind from Paul and focus on our family? He doesn't want to associate with us. It's obvious. Why would you want me to reconcile with someone who doesn't want reconciliation?
The other day, my wife called my brother on phone and told my brother we are starving. Can you believe what my brother told my wife?
What did he say?
Fred told my wife that we should sort ourselves out, that we are lazy.
Oh.
That we should sort ourselves out.
Oh.
That we should be ashamed of ourselves for calling him to give us money to feed my family. Just imagine.
Wait. You mean your brother, your blood brother?
My junior brother. That's what he told my wife. And ever since then, I trust my wife. He discommunicated completely from my brother. Without even sending him again. We don't even pick his call. I trust my wife. He doesn't pick his call anymore.
Your wife is a wise woman. Oh my here.
You see, one thing with all these family members, they want only themselves to be rich. And they want to be worshipped.
Just imagine. And the worst is that he claimed to be religious. He carried religion for head. That is wickedness. You want to be close to God, but you're not even close to your own family. It's evil. It's wickedness.
Listen. Claiming to be spiritual or born again, it's not a yardstick to measure who is godly or not.
Exactly.
In most cases, you find out that ordinary people, they live better life than the so-called spiritual people.
Yes, man. Those ones, they be fake religious people. Very fake.
Internally wicked.
Is there no way you can make your brother understand that one is nothing without family?
Wait, why are you bothered about this guy?
Honey, I need to be bothered. I am your wife. I am married to your family. A family that is fractured to the extent that two brothers, twin brothers cannot even do anything together. Does that make sense to you?
The joke is on Paul, not on me. I have tried my best. If he wants us to become family again, my arms are open.
Okay, can you at least call him tonight?
It's like you're not listening to what I'm saying.
I am listening to everything you are saying. I heard everything you said. I know you say you don't have his number, but he called you the last time. I'm certain he hasn't changed that line. Why don't you just call him? He might be willing to talk as family this time.
I am not calling him. Except you're doing that on your own. Have I not tried my best? Have I not done everything I could to show him that I love him like a brother? Each time I keep meeting a brick wall.
I know you have tried, but you will keep trying. Don't quit, please.
I've had it up to here. This time around, I am not trying again. If he wants reconciliation, he should be the one to reach out this time.
If two wrongs can't make a right, please.
You see this thing you're discussing now? It is the reason why I cut all ties with family. Let me make this known to you guys today. I have an identical twin brother who lives in this town. Yes. He's a university lecturer and a pharmacist. But we don't roll. Because he's a very nasty creature. Each time I call him on phone, he goes like, "Hello, who is this?" Can you imagine that?
That is the way they behave. Very annoying.
Hey, Peter is too small to annoy me. In fact, I don't want to have anything to do with him again. Yes. Do you know I studied law? Labor law. I just did not practice, and one thing led to another. I found myself here.
I don't believe this.
Wait, Polo. Are you truly a lawyer? Or someone told me that you're a lawyer, but I didn't believe it.
Not just a lawyer. I was the best in my class.
There is something I want all of you to know. There is something spectacular about Oga Polo. His good command of English language is out of this world.
Hello? Hey, what is it? I haven't heard from you in a while, so I thought, why don't I talk to my brother? Check up on me as what? Paul, it's your brother, your twin brother Peter. I just want to know how you're doing. My twin brother, so what? Okay, what can I do for you?
Oga Polo, that's your brother now. Your brother called you and you couldn't discuss with him.
I am Paul the Enigma and I don't take shit from anybody.
He hung up?
No, he called back.
Paul the Enigma. Cutting phone on your brother is not right. Let us tell ourselves the home truth.
And it is good to tell ourselves the truth than telling ourselves sweet lies.
That's exactly my point.
Ebia. You know, there's a reason I don't want to dabble into this. No one knows what's transpired between you and your brother.
I think you're the only one who reasons like a human being here. Apondala. Well, anyway, what do you expect? They are old men with wives. That guy, Peter, that calls himself my twin brother, is the biggest fool that walked the surface of this earth. He thinks he's smart. He's the lecturer, the corporate one. But I am the man on the streets. We are like two parallel lines that will never meet.
I disagree with you, sir. You guys should sort yourself out. It's your brother. At least your brother call you on phone. Try to talk to him and hear him out.
Oh!
Listen to your brother, know what he has to say.
Okay, shut up. Shut up and go back to your wife. You're a common driver. Driving a car that I signed and guaranteed before it was given to you.
Oh, because you signed a guarantee for me. I should not tell you the truth, eh?
To hell with your truth. If you do not shut up your mouth now, I will call the police to arrest you.
Hey!
Not just that, charge you to court and detain you.
To arrest me for telling you the truth. For telling you the truth, bro. Charge me for what? You never reached to that now. Bro, shit. This thing never reached to that.
You will lock him up.
This meeting has ended. And I'm not paying for these drinks.
Yeah, no, bro. I don't get money. I don't get money to pay for the drink. Bro, come pay for the drink. Then you carry us come out.
We are welcome.
Madam, washing and setting.
Our props are in with you.
You are going to peace.
Hey, Key, I don't say one day where. Give me some. You know, say one day where you don't want to give me sense.
you. I go put down for you. I go put down for you. Come use to take it.
Now take away.
Madam, can you give me that kind of way you give me yesterday? That washing and setting, I beg.
I beg you. That one way you give me last week, that one punch me. The one way you give me now, water. I don't want those.
One I show where I got it the other day. I don't know whether they don't give me this.
Okay, you don't go.
You know what they say they go there, woman. You see me now, you know if you give me all this.
When you give me, give me the sweetness of youth. We must carry sickness inside. We must carry every inside. We go see you.
Who go care him?
No, they care, they care.
Can I go care you?
No, they care.
Make something for me. Leave this man. I'm a married man.
I don't go care. Who's that follow? I know one purge, yo.
No punch.
Put that for take away. Don't use all this their cigar cup. Give me.
Well, they talk rubbish. If you want insult person, just tell me.
Hey, you never many. Okay, now half I go drink.
If you drink food now, overload that.
Put them for the half for here now.
No, now you go finish.
Nice. I will finish them.
Go finish some of them.
But it's not half I go drink now.
I know food the cup now.
I can finish this thing. Why they do that? Finish this thing, my friend.
Today when somebody join us, drink what we dey drink.
Make a kiss.
He
said make you drink my what you with the drink.
Guys, see what's in the shop. You know as it be now, we just stay here, count the money. Know how much we dey keep for ourselves. Know how much we dey give for the enigma. No matter now, if you carry this money go office now, you go do justice to it. Don't give us change.
Confirm. You know, say, Polo they very wicked. Polo they very, very heartless. You see that guy? A very greedy human being. That guy not even reason say we get our own personal responsibility. The way he get.
See, I must keep something for myself. You guys know I have a pregnant wife to take care of. Do you know that sometimes the way my wife crave for things baffles me? Onyinye will tell me that she wants a pap with liquid milk. I will run around to get the exact thing she wants. The next thing I will hear, I don't want pap and liquid milk again. What I want is pounded yam with bitter leaf soup. The thing is too confusing.
Shut up! Oh. Which one be married pregnant wife again? Where you there, Mariam? Again, where you just give belly, he come stay with you. Now you there here and I don't claim say he married. For where you there, Mariam? You don't call him wife. You don't call him wife. Don't they call him?
To God who made me and you, Chima, the kind of thunder that will fire you is still warming up. I'm telling you the truth. Why is it that anytime I'm talking about Onyinye, your body will be peppering
you? Don't do it. May we count this money, you know what you do. You don't do it.
It's not my Onyinye.
You don't do now, I beg. Bring, search yourself. Bring the remaining.
Spider, do you know that this boy has no sense?
Yes.
You don't have anything upstairs.
What did they do you? Which type of get sense?
Ask Sam. You don't see any Agboro person who get sense before. Abobi, I don't get sense. Now to collect money now I know.
Okay, search yourself, I beg. May we can't do this counting.
Okay, if you want come money, I beg.
I don't obtain myself, that's why I show you.
Okay, I can't search yourself.
We'll never give you all money.
Okay, I know. You want to
we give you all the money, you don't do anyhow.
Why they going to come on? Okay, how you guys this? I know. Okay, we
search me. Nothing there. Search me. Come on.
What did they do?
See. No, you know, say don't there. Mungu. You talk rubbish.
But if you want money to come here,
Hold on. Give it to me hard, girl. Yes. I need it hard.
What kind of human is Paul?
What kind of irresponsible human being is this? It's 10:30 p.m. and he's not back yet. What responsible man leaves the house early in the morning and comes back this time? All he does is leave the house in the morning and come back late at night. His rascality is what I cannot take anymore. I can't. My sanity is going off. I can't take this anymore. What is this? And when he comes back, he will find a way to lie about it. I can't do this again. I can't take this again. What is this? Eh?
You girls are fantastic in this.
You can say that again. I told you we are good in what we do.
I have seen for myself.
You can call us when there's really a good quality rundown.
I like the way you describe it. Good quality rundown. You know, if it were other classless ladies, they would call it sex.
Ladies of class do not speak like that. So give me your phone so we save our number.
That will not be necessary.
But why?
Paul the Enigma is really an enigma by all definitions. He does not repeat girls.
But we are good. And you saw it with your eyes.
Yes.
So it should be nice if you give me your phone so we save our numbers.
Like I said earlier, no. If I need girls like you, I know where to get them.
Okay, babes. Make me go.
Go. But it should be daybreak now.
Degini. Who are you to think I would waste my time spending the whole night with you? I'm done with you.
That guy's breath is something else. Gosh! He has this breath that stinks like kai all through. I almost threw up.
My sister, what we the Ashawo go through in the hands of men is terrible. We sleep with different kinds of men in the streets just for money. Even the one that has dangerous body and mouth odor, skin rashes, even rashes in the private parts.
Even with that one, with that his bad breath, I don't understand. Who does he think he is?
My sister, you are just an ordinary Ashawo, so you have to deal with his shit.
I hate his arrogance, honestly.
My sister, you are confusing me. What is eating you up? The poor guy said he doesn't repeat girls, so you should respect his opinion.
Wait to be your own self. I never leave him. No, wait to concern, I never leave him. I beg.
Oh, thank God. Oh, you're the one complaining. Eh? See, I beg. Let me just go and look for customers since you no agree to do daybreak. Oh, I don't know why you are here complaining or...
Hold it. Normally na your way. See how it be. Ashawo. Ashawo.
Good evening. I'm not fine, Paul. Where are you? Okay.
I know.
Paul, what kept you this long?
I was stuck in a very heavy traffic. I'm sorry.
Traffic again.
Yes. And the funny part is that when I left the traffic, I realized it was nothing serious.
Amazing. Amazing. Okay. Heavy traffic indeed. Well, your food is in the flats on the dining. So.
Okay, thank you. I'll just freshen up after.
Right.
Jesus. Hey. Don't fuck up. Oh, she catch me for this one. It's like no enter at all.
I see no reason you're doing what you're doing to me, Paul. What you see outside, don't I have it? Rather than sleep with me, you spend all your time with those girls outside your home. Why do you derive joy making me feel sad, Paul? Don't try it. Don't touch me, please.
You know my Calabar babe. You know.
Paul, who does it better than me?
Nobody. I swear to God, you know nobody does it better than you. I'm sorry, it won't repeat itself again.
Exactly what you said 2 nights ago. This is what you said 2 nights ago, and you're doing it already.
I promise you, this time I mean it from the bottom of my heart. You know now. Now lay you now. Eh? I know, my God.
Leave me.
Leave you and go where? Where will I leave you? Don't. I'll come in, let me shower. Sorry. Hey, no, baby. I told you I have a 9 o'clock lecture to catch. I need to rush out. So how do I look?
You look smashingly good.
You know you have a way with words, right?
For real?
Yeah.
But that's not true. I just stated the obvious. Anyways, you cannot go to class on an empty stomach, so I made you something really nice. Sit down.
Honey, this is what I've done all over the years. You know that?
Don't tell me you're not having this meal. I woke up quite early to make this, considering that I have an early morning call. You're not rejecting my food. Sit down.
Sweetheart, listen. You of all people know how I love to eat your meal. But please, for today, I need to rush off. I don't want my students waiting, okay? But I promise you, as soon as I'm back, I'll do justice to your food.
Stop doing that. It's not funny.
Trust me.
Stop. All right. You have a nice day.
And you too, babe.
Okay. I'll get you the car.
All right, babe. Mind you, when I'm back early today, I'd like for us to draft that.
Yeah.
I'm sure you won't be home by the time I'm back.
Definitely. From calls like that, I have a lot of patience to attend to. So I might not come back early.
You don't need to tell me how you're happy, remember?
I forgot.
Take care of you, honey, okay?
And you too.
Be a good girl at work.
I've always been a good girl. Stop.
I trust. Sometimes.
No, that's not good.
See ya. All right, take care of you, okay?
All right, you
Bye-bye.
too, darling. Have a nice day. Call me when you can.
Definitely, I will.
Send me a message when you can.
Draft me.
Call me again. That was a joke. Have a nice day, darling.
What are you doing, Paul?
As if you don't know what I am doing, I am refilling my holy water.
Baby, why are you calling it that? This is a gin from Bayelsa. An illicit gin that the government has banned already. So why are you killing yourself by drinking it? Huh?
You see, Eno, most times I wonder why you have refused to emancipate yourself from mental slavery. This kai that our forefathers drank, and it sustained them all their life. They lived even up to 100 and above, is what you are calling illicit. To fear kwage.
But why would you say that? Why would you say Tufiakwa? Tell me the reason a young man like you will be consuming kai.
I drink it because I like it. And I like it because it is natural. Not like all these chemicals you people are consuming in the name of foreign drinks.
I don't care how you put it or how you're trying to present this. This is ethanol. And there's no way you'll be gulping down ethanol and be expected to act normal.
Hey! You are beginning to insult me. Okay? If you do not like my drink and the way I live my life, you're free to take a leave.
Really?
Yes.
Paul, has it gotten to the point you asked me to leave your house? Seriously? Okay. Very well then. No problem. I will not just leave your house, but I will leave your life too.
Okay? Enough! She's serious. Enough! No. I need you to leave. I will not let you.
Paul, I'd rather live your life than stay and watch you destroy yourself.
You know I'm a street guy 100%. I say nasty things all the time. Please.
Okay, then watch me do it.
Please, Eno, please don't go. I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Really? That is the more reason you should work on your temperament. Because it is destroying you and you don't know.
Please, stay. Please. Stay now.
Paul, I will give you peace of my mind. I am leaving you. Not because I want to, but because I don't want you to have anyone you keep insulting. Leave me.
I'm sorry, Eno. See. I'm sorry. See this so they bought you today. Wait. You're trying to tell me you took a promise I made when you were moaning and groaning under ecstasy? Serious? He must be a learner.
You dey mad? Who be learner? You know how many years I don't pay for this business? You see that particular money? That 150,000 naira you promised me made me to do unimaginable things with you. you must give me that money. That money must enter my palm before I step out of this place. If not, the whole building will gather for me and you. I go shout.
You will shout for? Look at this one. You think I'm one of those men that when a woman tells them she will shout, they begin to fidget and get afraid? If you want to shout, I'll be street, oh! This back, my head. Let me even start shouting. Get out of my office!